Hello, I'm Jim Blackburn, Service Manager at Haas Nissan. I'd like to take a minute to show you how our dealership is keeping you and our employees safe when your vehicle's in for service. Every employee that interacts with customers is wearing a mask, and every hour we're cleaning the customer waiting area and bathrooms. We also have rental vehicles, convenient drop-off and shuttle service, as well as pickup and delivery service available. When you arrive, we will disinfect your door handles, armrest, dash, as well as the steering wheel, center console, and the rearview mirror before your vehicle is brought into the shop. Once your service has been completed and the vehicle has been vacuumed and washed, we will spray an EPA-approved disinfectant on all the surfaces and the outside door handles and disinfect your keys. We will then put your disinfected keys into a plastic bag. We want to thank you for your support of Haas Nissan, and we look forward to assisting you with any service needs during these difficult times.